What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release in May 11th. But before we get into the main attraction, let's go ahead and take a quick look at some upcoming releases. These joints right here is supposed to be dropping May 14th. They are shipping out right now on FineLine1721.com. If you want to check out the full review, it is live on the YouTube channel. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see right here, we have the Air Jordan Retro box, all navy blue upper, white Jumpman logo, gray and blue cement print going around the sides and the front. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 6 Retro, white midnight navy, size 9.5. We're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead, flip this box up, flip this paper back. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 6 white midnight navy. Taking a look at the front profile of the shoe, navy blue tongue, navy blue push pin with the white Jumpman logo, navy blue Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white elastic. Taking a look at the side profile of the shoe, all white leather upper, no mixtures of suede and leather on these joints right here. Not seeing any 3M behind the panels on these joints. We have mixtures of smooth and tumbled leather going throughout the whole uppers of the shoe, going around to the heel of the shoe, blue heel tab, white stripe, blue Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white Air branding, going around to the medial side, same exact way as the lateral, mixtures of tumbled and smooth leather. Going around to the bottom of the shoe, all midnight navy bottom, clear outsole, white Jumpman logo. Super clean in my personal opinion. If you are a fan of the Air Jordan Retro 6 and you want to pick these joints up, you can do so. Head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. They are shipping out right now ahead of the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.